What's up, guys? We are about to witness history together. How amazing, how beautiful, how crazy. Well, that didn't happen. Is it about to happen? Are we gonna front run? Keep front running all-time highs? Imagine we start nuking from here. That would be so funny. GG's, it's over. What a time to be alive, exactly. Man oh man. Feels like yesterday we were trading at 20k, right? I think literally nobody expected us to trade towards all-time highs this fast. It's crazy. The nuke is coming though. Prepare for this. Take all-time high and nuke it to 0. Imagine. Oh man. Wow, a lot of people. Let's go. Leave a like, by the way. Subscribe if you haven't already. See, the nuke is coming. Told you. We swept the highs. GG, it's over. No all-time high today, guys. I'm sorry, I don't make the rules. That retest of this level though. Holy shit. To the T. Look at this. Weekly level. Damn. It's teasing us, right? What's ETH doing? Damn, 3.8. Some of my orders got hit on Ethereum. Slowly taking some profit. Because this is a key area for ETH in my opinion. Where was... yeah, see this chart? Explain what I could see happening on ETH. If it's... I mean, if it's about to do what Bitcoin did, like... fuck that scenario and we're just going for all-time highs, but... you know, I like to be a little conservative at least. But hey, crazy things. Come on, do it. Always watch them at work. All-time high in the next minutes. Let's see. Does it mean we finish the cycle quicker or we go way higher? We're just about to sweep all-time high and then nuke to 12k. Capo was right, you know? It was right all along. You know what? We're about to stop out Capo. His stop loss was at all-time highs, right? His setup looked like this. Short the lows. Stop at all-time high. And target was 12k, right? You see? All we're doing here is just stopping out Capo. Okay? And then we'll go to his targets. Sounds good. Sounds like a plan, right? Yeah, I think that would be a beautiful scenario. Imagine. Can I join your Discord? Yes, you can. If you make an account on Vela Exchange and send me proof and make a deposit, I'll add you. What's your real expectation? I mean, full send it probably. But honestly, I really wouldn't be surprised if we stall soon. And if we don't get a real breakout of all-time highs yet, I wouldn't be surprised if we do something like this. For real, wig the highs, but then obviously not go to 12K, but spend some more time in between, maybe 75, 73, somewhere around there. Just this general area above all-time highs, right? And I don't know, 60Ks, somewhere in between there. Wouldn't be surprised if we build a fresh range around here before another takeoff really into 100K. But at the same time, if these inflows keep being this high, I mean, I could just see us bump straight into 80, 90Ks, 100Ks. So yeah. I mean, just enjoy the ride, I would say, and try buying on dips and selling the rips. My next target for Bitcoin, where I will sell spots, would be 90K, around there. Boom! All-time highs wicked. Not yet on Binance. All-time high on Bybit. USDT perps. Coinbase. Yep, all-time high on everything now. Congrats guys, we made it. Let's go. And now let's see what it does. Now it's all nice to get excited on the all-time highs, but I definitely wouldn't rush into longs here. But hey, that's just me. And on top of that, Capo just got stopped, so wouldn't be surprised if we nuke from here. Oh, look at that. Capo stopped. Damn. Hold on, let me tweet that. Look. Classic. Oh my god. Hold on, let me tweet this. Lol. Thank you for your trading the range video. Hey, you're welcome, man. So yeah, I'm like I've been saying, my sells got hit. Some, well, not all of them, of course, but I'm selling Ethereum here, just like I did with Bitcoin at the 50Ks. I'm doing the same for Ethereum. If I get a nice dip on this and a big liquidation cascade, I'll definitely look to get back in. But I mean, look at this, guys. It's been up only, right? And of course, in bullish market conditions, things can literally go up only for a long time. But it's never a bad idea to take some off. So if you're in huge profit and you bought the lows, like, take some off, you know. I mean, do whatever you want, but that's what I'm doing at least. I've had my plan for ages and I'm sticking to it, you know. Ethereum taking, even in, you know, if it's 40% or something, if your next target is like, I don't know, for Ethereum, let's see where these fib levels come out. If you draw it like this, you see, maybe above 7K, like, you still got 60% of your spots, even if you sell 40% here. So yeah, you do whatever you want, and if you have a different plan, so be it. But I took some off here, and I will continue to take some off up until 4.3K. So not everything hit yet, but that's what I'm doing. And I'm doing the same with Bitcoin. Next target for me would be USD value above 100K, but like I had my chart in euro. See this one? That was my plan for spot all along, so I stuck to it, and it's playing out beautifully. So hey, I hope we're all making money here. I do think most of us are making money here. But like I said, don't get too excited on new all-time highs. Let's take a look at what we did back in hold on, let me take another chart. $19.7. Let's see, where did we break all-time highs? You see what we did here? And this is daily chart, right? December 2nd. Let's go to the hourly. Oh god, that's gonna take... that's gonna take way too long. It doesn't even go back that much. Anyways, even on the 4 hour, you can clearly see what happened, right? That was previous all-time high. We did exactly the same as what we're doing right now. We wicked it, you see? Back down, back up, teasing everyone. Now it's a real breakout. Nah, fuck that. Not yet. Boom. Now it's a real breakout. Rush into longs, stop loss right below the low. Ah, fuck that, we're still going lower. Sweeping the lows again. Up here, everyone chasing. And then, yeah, then we got a real breakout. But as you can see, you can get stopped out a lot before catching an actual breakout. An actual all-time high breakout. So it's not just because we're trading this close to all-time high, to previous all-time high, that you need to expect anything like this, for example. It can happen, of course, but can very good as well stall here. And yeah, see, this ain't looking too hot, in my opinion. Swept the highs, swept all-time highs. And a retrace wouldn't be bad, you know. And we get to buy more. And I also think if Bitcoin nukes here, altcoins will probably die and wick down a lot. But those dips will probably be good buys in hindsight. If Bitcoin starts ranging, you know. If Bitcoin, for example, does this, wicks down here and starts trading here, alts will wick down like 20, 30, 40%. but those dips can be very nice. I have orders in on quite a bit of alts, on Sol, ETH, BNB, Say, Phil, and there was one more, Inch, I think. So yeah, I mean, I'd be happy if things wick down here, but not sure we're gonna get it. I'm also flat on margin at the moment. I tried like 2 small longs this morning on this one, as you can see, and on Manta, as you can see here. But I didn't like it. Didn't like the look of alts in general right now. I think we could use a decent flush, you know, a decent leverage flush, decent liquidation run. So I'd be happy if it happens. I'm chilling here. If things rip to the upside, happy days. I'll enjoy the show, being in spot, and probably be taking some profits. And if we wick down, also happy days. So let's take a look at some altcoins, I guess. So let's start off with those that I just mentioned. BNB maybe. For BNB, next target, upside target would be this high, and downside, anything close to this level is a very good buy in my opinion. And at the same time, weekly key low right there. So maybe you don't even get this level, but it just wicks down there, for example, and then goes higher. So a scenario like this wouldn't surprise me. If we could take a look at it on the 4 hour, like things have been going up vertically, you know. So wouldn't be surprised if things start at least ranging. I mean, even if we do this and then go higher, like that wouldn't even be a big nuke on the weekly, you know? That would literally just send us to last week's low, even though just that, in my opinion, would be very healthy for the markets in general, just to spend some time at levels where we're trading at right now, just to let funding come down a little, like, you know, wipe out some leverage maybe on some wicks, stop some people out, chop some people up before the next leg higher on alts. I think that would make sense. So for BNB, first area where I'm interested is below last week's low. But yeah, obviously not even sure if you're gonna get it. For Ethereum, like I said, hit my target, the level I was targeting from all the way when we were trading still in this range. My main target for Ethereum was 3.6, which now just got swept into, hold on, I'm gonna take another chart. This one shows it better. You see, even without this, weekly supply up here, range high, and key liquidity being swept. So at least some ranging here, you know. Not saying it needs to go back to 20 to 2k, but just spend some time here and stall, you know, not break this on the first go. I'd be surprised if it does that. But yeah, I would have been surprised if you told me a couple months ago that we would be trading at all-time highs. today. So hey, whatever, anything can happen, you know. But I'm selling spot Ethereum into this gray area. And then where I'd be looking to get back in as close to this range mean as possible. Pivotal area, right, from the bull run here in 21. First area where we started topping, nuked aggressively to these lows, bumped back up to the highs, swept the highs, right, and then came all the way back down, swept or deviated the lows, reclaim, retest, and now back to the highs. Okay, so that's your range set. First high where we started dumping from, the lows after as a range low, and what confirms the range, how pivotal mid-range has been, right? Support, no closes below, back to the highs, initial tap, support, but then broke below, resistance, sold off again, and then ugly deviation back all the way back towards the lows. So if you get the chance to buy as close to 3k as possible, I think that's a good buy. To sell for at least double the amount at 6k, probably even 7, 8, all the way to 10k. Have we broken the all-time high or not yet? I mean, we have traded above it. I think on all exchanges by now, but so far got rejected pretty ugly. Like I said from before we started, I think we stall here. I think it wouldn't be a bad thing to do. Now be ready though. Ideal scenario here is Bitcoin aggressively nukes, right? Straight back into these lows, into this demand. Alts nuke with it, and those dips get bought up aggressively. That would be the ideal scenario, in my opinion. And there's also a likely scenario, I think. But hey. Ideal to you? Yeah, I think... Yeah, I mean, ideal, what is ideal, you know? I think likely, yeah, probably not ideal to most people, because then it wouldn't be likely, you know? I think ideal scenario for most people is just pumping straight to new highs. But hey. Right, so inch, for example. On this one, I have orders like all the way from these lows, all the way towards all of these lows and below here. In case we just wick down and sweep these lows once more, then I'll hopefully get all filled and then bump to new highs. But overall, weekly, this is just a weekly range before higher, in my opinion. So it's just a matter of time. It's difficult to trade something like this, you know, on margin, I mean, because you don't know when the breakout will be, and you probably gonna get chopped up trying to long the breakout, or you need to hold it with a very wide stop all the way. Spammer in Discord. No, I'm gonna ban him. Thanks for letting me know. He's gone. Thanks. So yeah, charts that look like this on the daily, you know, are good for spot, in my opinion, which is why I've set orders. Same thing with say. You see, bigger range. Swept the highs there. So I've set orders all the way until these lows in case we get an aggressive wick down. Some already got hit on this. I had some orders below this low in case we would sweep into range mean and then pump. So I already got some, but most are below these lows. This would be the ideal scenario on this for me. Sol, yeah, going crazy. Already have a very good spot back. I also posted that in Discord and on Twitter that I rotated some of my Bitcoin profits into Sol. So far it hasn't really outperformed Bitcoin, but I think soon it will, because it's lagging quite a bit behind, yeah, obviously Bitcoin, but also ETH. So I think this one will play catch up soon and get a massive breakout. So for this one as well, anything close to this range mean is a solid buy starting from here. In case we sweep this, right, on the 4 hour, clean lows there. Here, then range mean, and then ideal. Your best entry would be in case we break back within this range and then get all the way back to range lows, sweep range lows into this high time frame level from here, right? And then make our way to the highs. But I would doubt that you get this. But yeah, also dips are definitely for buying. What else did we have? Let me check. Say, Inch, BNB, ETH, Sol, Phil. Did we do Phil already? Yeah, so for this one, my target was up here. And if we close a weekly up here, I think we go all the way to 17. But I think price ran away quite a bit already from my bits. Yeah, I set those orders when we were trading here still. So I had some filled, I think right here, but most of my orders were down here all the way until these lows. So not sure these are going to hit. Yeah, look at Bitcoin. Oh, so classic. And that's why you don't rush into all-time highs. You see? Well, at least not with tight stops, you know. I think next draw on liquidity is up here. Well, up here, down here. Clean hourly range. And then maybe sweep this. And then start grinding, you know. Maybe now liquidation run. Wick in one go. Close here again. And then spend time here. Grind up. Then maybe one more nuke. Or just breakout. Or from here then. And then acceleration. That would make more sense to me than going from here. Doggy sold another clip of my spot back. Initially sold here. That was my target for Doggy, and then the second one was up here. But like I'm up like 3x from my my spot buys down here. So I decided to just sell half again and hold some in case we rip. And pull another 2x. You see? So next target, in case this weekly on dog, it closes significantly above here, right? I want to see a little bit stronger than this, but if it does that, I think dips get bought and we trade towards the highs up here. What else do we have? Bitcoin crashing. I mean, you really haven't seen anything then. If you call this crashing. Would be nice to get a crash like we used to have in like 2020, 2019. There we got some aggressive crashes, I remember. Good times. ARB, I really like as well, and I am looking to get back in spot. Just the same as Say and Inch. I think fundamentally really good coin as well to just hold some spot and maybe sell for a 2x easy. But again, in a range, in a high time frame range, this looks really good actually. So spot is the play here. I might actually get a bag already. See this bonking against this initial high on the weekly. So far no weekly closes above there yet, but once it does, it will probably run very hard. Then you see initial high, low, high swept, low swept, resistance, retest, sold off, wicked above, sold off a bit, and now trying again. So once it succeeds, it will probably fly. I actually wanna focus up here because some juicy dips might be coming. Render is similar, you know, big run up, consolidate, maybe bid under these lows, somewhere in here. Shib. Crazy what these meme coins did. Tia I'm interested in as well, below these lows. If I finally get it. Oh, come on. Yeah, see, we're nuking now, right? Below these lows. Whiff, yeah, interesting as well. Oof, damn. Trading view is slow. Can't handle the the volatility. But I don't know about this one though. It ran so hard. Like for a first dip buy, I would probably be interested like in from here, but I'm not sure I would hold for new highs. Woo. Yeah, also looking clean. Probably this blue area that was former resistance. Any wick in there will probably get bought up. Manta. Well, Manta we did in the Discord, right? I was bullish on this because it swept the lows, but like if Bitcoin nukes here, everything's gonna nuke, you know? So expect things to wick down again. But for this one, the scenario that's drawn here would be beautiful. Wick these local lows and hold this low. And then send Mafia. Yeah, here on this one I said, wouldn't be surprised if we get one more sweep of these lows. So that would be the case here. Something like this, a bigger wick, something like this. GMX also in spot, also interesting one, probably interesting to buy around this range mean, maybe a little lower, but I'm not sure you're gonna get any lower. All right, Rose. Yeah, wicked lost week's high already. I don't know about this one. I probably wouldn't buy before somewhere around here. Because if it closes below here, this is just a sweep. And we're back in this range, you know, and then this lines up with range mean, so ship crashing badly. I mean, it's not even red on the daily, you know. But yeah, also this monthly OB, former resistance where we stalled here. Now probably gonna be a good buy on the first step, you know. I'm not saying buying these and holding them all to all-time highs, but if it's simply for a bounce play, it makes sense, in my opinion. Yeah. Daily swept yesterday high, Monday high. Where's Monday low actually? See, focusing on our Monday range. Could even be getting a bigger retrace here. So yeah, like I said, wouldn't rush into anything up here, rather let things come down or enjoy the ride with your spot backs you have from lower. But take it easy on margin, expect choppy price action this close to all-time highs. Maybe we wick again, you know, maybe we do this and then wick down again and come all the way down to Monday low. So shorts won't be easy as well. Longs won't be easy. I think we're about to get some real choppy price action. So just mark out your high time frame levels. You know, don't go any lower than a 4 hour and just buy dips and sell rips, I would say, on spot, and take it easy. If Bitcoin nukes and alts wick down badly, I think you buy them. All right. I'm sorry it's gonna be a short stream, but like I wanna watch this myself. I wanna set some more bids maybe on some interesting altcoins. So I'm gonna end the stream here. All right. We will be going live again on Thursday. Let's hope things are less volatile at that particular moment. Like I hope we keep going up, but right now I want to focus up, you know. So have a good one. Congrats, by the way. We did trade above all-time high. That's a good thing already. So take it easy, right? Don't do anything stupid. And I'll see you in the Discord and on Twitter and in our next stream this Thursday. Bye.